Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain. For example, I'm just opening the settings app. So I want to go to home screen. So I'm going to give single tap, assistive touch, but fail to gather analytics, please try again. If you're getting this error, you have assigned wrong button, wrong actions. So that's what I'm going to fix it. For that, right, you need to go to settings and go to accessibility. Here we have to go inside touch, physical and motor touch. So here, right, assistive touch is already enabled. Go inside. Here, right, under custom actions, for single tap analytics is set. So that is wrong, because when I single tap, right, this assistive touch, it should go to home screen, but analytics is assigned. So I'm going to enable it. Okay, so I'm going to change it. So I'm going to tap the single tap. See, analytics is enabled. That's why we are getting the error. So change that to home. Now, right, if I single tap this assistive touch, automatically it will go to home screen. You can assign any other actions here. If none means nothing will work, but you can assign any actions which is listed here. Okay, fine. Now we will test it. So I'm gonna single tap. It's going to home screen. Super cool, right? So again, going to settings. So for single tap, we have assigned this home screen, and going back, and even for double tap and long press, you can change that. So you can assign whatever the actions you want, and if you don't want to select anything, just choose none. So long press also you can assign the button. So for single tap, right, it should be on home screen. That's it friends, this is the way you can fix the issue. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks on my video forms. Thank you, bye and take care.